Hi, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Annette.
And this is our Chase for Adventure.
In a really awesome market that we found at a whim.
Looking back to when it all began, I was 25 and you were 21. Oh, I should have known better then, but my heart was blinded like an old man.
We have just made it to Krabi Town. Krabi Town is an area of Krabi that's about 30 minutes away from Onang and the Noparatarat beaches. And it's also a place where it's on the banks of the river and has tons of different restaurants and pubs and shops. So today we're going to be exploring that. But to get here, we actually got a new toy. This is Sherlock. Sherlock is our scooter. We actually had a really smooth ride. I have never ridden on a scooter before. And it was like, oh, wonderful and dandy. And then some guy almost hit us, but we're fine. Just a little shaken, not stirred. And now we're gonna go and explore. Before we left, I have been obsessed with this headband company called Hipsy. They have Hipsy headbands. I've literally only used their headbands for 6 months because my hair had fallen out and I've tried dozens of headbands. Anyway, they all sucked. This one didn't, and they had so many cute styles. Literally to this day, you go on my Amazon cart and everything is just Hipsy headbands because I literally wanted all of them. Well, in Bangkok, I was really sad because the Thai heat melted one of my headbands, completely separated. Long story short, before that even happened, I'm sorry, I'm so excited, I don't even know where to start. Before we came to Thailand, I always told Daniel, I really hope one day I'm able to work with Hipsy and then I can just get free headband and tell everybody how great they are. And anyway, now fast forward to Bangkok where fast forward to Bangkok where my headband fell apart. And I'm in Thailand. They don't ship internationally because I had already checked. I was on Amazon trying to buy one and they don't ship to my address. And so anyway, I was let me just let them know because I love this company and I want them to have the best product out there because they already do. And so they were oh, we'll actually ship it out to you. And I was I'm so sorry. I'm actually in Thailand and my address is always changing because we started this crazy YouTube adventure. And she's oh, wait. And then she's sending me a whole bunch of them, and then she created one specifically for Chase for Adventure, and she wants to work with me, and this feels like a total dream come true. Literally, I was telling Daniel about this half jokingly in our, actually not even in our apartment, in Daniel's parents' house where we were living for 8 months, and to be here, and to be in Thailand, and to have Hipsy be the first company that wants to work with us, it was just, I'm elated.
Oh, I am free, but I am falling. 'Cause when it comes to you, I just can't ignore it. 'Cause I never saw you breathe until it was over. Can we go back to what it was before? Like the bad things never came to us. Oh, I want to make it all go away. Yeah, like time never rained, never runs. Can we go back and figure out it all? Yeah, 'cause I can't find a way out. Anyone can see it hurts to the bone. Oh, 'cause time got the best.
Walking through Krabi Town, we've kind of realized that during the day on a Wednesday in the afternoon, there really isn't much to do here. They do have a night market that we've learned is really awesome to go to. They have some shopping around here too that you can do. We're not really the shopping type, so I think now it's getting a little cloudy. We're gonna get back on the scooter and head back to Onang and show you that area, which is the more touristy, beachy side, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
On our way back to Onang, we ended up passing by what looked like a massive street market. And I was like, Annette, do you want to get off and try it? And she was like, why not? So we pulled over to the side of the road, and now we're gonna go check out a market.
No big deal. It's just a giant water buffalo in someone's backyard.
With a net.
Ha! With a net. Get it? A net?
That's fun.
Oh, wow. Oh, Daniel.
Oh, wow. And then I think this is what I took video of.
Really?
Here we go.
This is like the biggest green beans I've ever seen in my life. And scallions and the pineapples. Okay, Thai pineapples are seriously the sweetest pineapple you will ever be able to find.
This market is insane. It actually looks like the place where all the street vendors that are actually close to where we are in Ao Nang come to get their fresh produce, their vegetables, all of it. So right now we actually have been passing carts of like just huge amounts of takeaway food, sticky rice, shrimp fried rice, all of it just ready to grab, and it's about half the price of that in the city. So we're gonna tear up some food while we're here, why not?
Yeah. We found a street vendor literally right as we walked in, and for 20 baht we were able to get some shrimp pan thai. So they actually wrap it in paper when it's to go, and then they wrap it with a little fork and the rubber band, and they literally do it, guys, in like 5 seconds in front of you. It's like bam, 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 here you go. I'm like, oh, okay. As we've been walking through, we've been able to see tons of different vegetables and fruits that honestly I have never seen before. Something that I've only ever heard about and seen in other people's YouTube videos is actual spice vendors. So behind me, there's actually a bunch of different spices, what looks like curry mixes and Thai chili mixes. And I wish I could describe the scent in here. It almost like burns the nostrils, but it's fresh and it's just such an experience to be here where literally nothing but locals are.
Everything at the stall was literally 5 baht, which is awesome. So we got fried chicken covered thingy, and we got like their version of pigs in a blanket.
Try it.
That is like an all beef kosher hot dog with a tortilla chip wrapped around it. It is delicious.
I am absolutely obsessed with sweet Thai chili sauce. It is sweet and savory. It's almost like a sweet and sour. It smells a little bit like love, and it's very good for dipping things in. As a matter of fact, do you care if
I don't.
Typically you want to dip it, but you know what? We're classy here. We're just gonna. So excited. So this is the fried chicken on a stick. Aroy! Oh, this is so good. So this beautiful bundle of red Thai chili peppers, it's what's responsible for many a diarrhea here in the Fortner vacation. They're very delicious. If they turn you into a dragon, you're actually able to breathe fire when you eat them. And then you get terrible indigestion, but they taste great.
But how long can I keep up the pace? To fool myself, I don't need grace. Will you be there to catch my fall? Need to be sure you'll hear my call. Darkness around me and I don't know why it's so hard to let go.
So we finished up this random market that we stopped at. Now we're gonna be on our way back to Ao Nang.
We've made it to Ao Nang! This is the part where all of the tourists come and hang out. There's tons of bars. Once the lights go down, this actually becomes a super lively street filled with vendors, filled with people trying to sell you massages, and just an area for people to come and have fun. This is also where you can get the long tow boats that take you to the islands and the beaches that are around here like Railay and Tanzai, and the islands like Koh Phi Phi and Chicken and Poda Island. Also, if you are feeling less adventurous and you do not want to try Thai food, there is a McDonald's and Burger King located conveniently on this road. I don't recommend it though. Go ahead and be adventurous. The street food here in Thailand is wonderful. Given you're gonna have to let go of some of those like Western ideas that you have of food having to be this super duper clean area, because there will be bugs on your food. But honestly, we've been eating it for a month and a half and we've been fine thus far, and it's delicious. It's been so rewarding. Guys, thank you so much for joining us through our scooter tour of Krabi. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that it encourages you to chase your own adventure. In the meantime, make sure that you subscribe with the button down below so you can see the rest of our adventures around the world.
Make sure that you give us a like.
Share this post with your friends.
And we'll see you on our next adventure.
See?